Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey guys, this is RTX Meatlug, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a way through which you can access secret options or secret settings of your Android device or any particular Android device. Through these secret options or secret settings, you can know some informations about an Android device which usually people don't know. Now these options can be very useful to know a particular informations about Android devices which most people don't know, but I'm not saying that this is very right if you do it without another person's acknowledgement whose Android device you're using. You can do this on your own Android device to know particular informations about it, but if you are doing this on someone else's Android device without their acknowledgement, then that is wrong and that is against the cyber laws. So I'm not making this video for any violation of cyber laws. I'm making this video for only educational purposes. So yeah guys, let's get started. So to access secret options or secret settings of an Android device, you need to open the settings first, the normal settings of an Android device. I'm talking about this settings which every Android device has. You need to open this settings first, then you need to go all the way down to about phone. Then here you will get certain information about your Android device, as such as model number, Android version, Android security patch level, MIUI version. These are normal informations which most people know about. Now here you need to press on all these informations several times, and you will get at a particular information, if you will press several times, it will open a new page in which you will get secret information or secret options. For example, if I press again and again on model number, nothing happens. If I press again and again on the Android version, then this Android game opens. Now this is a very well-known secret option or secret setting or secret game, whatever you wanna call it. Now I'm gonna go back, and if I press again and again on Android security patch level, nothing happens. And if I press again and again on MIUI version, then it says no need, you are already a developer. Now if you press again and again on this MIUI version or basically any developer number again and again, then it will open the developers option in certain number of presses, which is approximately 5. Now I have already pressed on it multiple times before, that's why I have already unlocked this developers option, and I don't need to press it again and again to unlock the developers option. As you can see, no need, you are already a developer. I have already enabled it by pressing it multiple numbers of times before. Now if I press again and again on CPU, then I will reach here, the privacy policy. It will basically show you the privacy policy of the Android device. You can read it if you want. I'm not gonna read it, so I'm gonna simply press don't agree. You can also agree, but it's not gonna change something. If I press again and again on RAM, nothing's gonna happen. If I press again and again on internal memory, then I'll enter phone information. Now this is a very useful secret setting or secret option inside the phone's normal settings. You can open phone information 1 to get the information about the first SIM card which you have, and phone information 2 for getting the information about the second SIM card which you have. If you only have one SIM card in your Android device, then you will only get one information. Pressing on battery information will give you information about your battery, such as battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, battery health, battery voltage, battery temperature, battery technology, time, and also the time since boot, which is 78 hours 30 minutes and 19 seconds till now. As you can see, the time which is given here is very detailed also. If you go on usage statistics, then you will get the amount of time you have used a particular application till now since the first boot. You can see I have used Quora the highest amount of time, 6 hours and 9 minutes. In call UI basically tells you the amount of time which you have used on calling someone and talking to someone, which is 4 hours 32 minutes and 12 seconds in this case. WhatsApp has been used 1 hour 33 minutes and 2 seconds till now since the first boot. Chrome has been used 56 minutes and 29 seconds. System launcher, which basically launches a particular application, has been used for 1 hour 15 minutes and 42 seconds. YouTube has been used for 44 minutes and 17 seconds, and so on. And Wi-Fi information gives you information about your Wi-Fi, such as Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. I'm gonna open Wi-Fi status, and it's gonna show you all the stuff. Currently the Wi-Fi of my Android device is disabled, so it is showing Wi-Fi state is disabled, and nothing else has been shown, nothing important has been shown, because Wi-Fi is disabled in my Android device. Currently I'm running on mobile network. Wi-Fi configuration basically tells you if you're tells you about Wi-Fi configuration. You can do multiple configurations of networks, but since Wi-Fi is turned off, then it's basically disabled. Wi-Fi API gives you certain certain options about your Wi-Fi, such as to disable a network or disconnect a network, etc, etc, etc. Now that was for internal memory, if I am not wrong. Yes, internal memory. After that, you can see baseband version. If I continuously press on it, nothing is gonna happen. If I press continuously on kernel version, then it will open CIT. CIT is basically a checker for your Android device, which basically tests the hardware of your Android device, such as the touch screen and call test and all that test. If you want to do it, you can do this test to check if your Android is working properly or not. If it's not working properly, then you can also get a recovery here. You can basically recover your Android device or reset your Android device properly, or you can go to the nearest Android hardware shop to get your Android device fixed. You can know if your Android device is not working well using CIT or hardware tests by continuously pressing on kernel version. If I go on status, then it's gonna give all the phone number and all that stuff, and it shows also the uptime for how much time you have used the phone since the first boot, which is 78 hours. So yeah guys, those were the secret options or secret settings for your Android device, which you get inside the normal settings of your Android device, which most people don't know about. Again, I'm saying that I have not made this video for illegal usage, such as breaching someone else's phone without their acknowledgement. This video is only for educational purposes. You can also check out these settings on your Android device which you have, but doing it on someone else's Android device without their acknowledgement is illegal. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.